Hey guys, I'm Scott. Thank you for coming along with us today. We're here at a local river. We're going to do some fishing. We're going to catch some crawdads.
And I'm Jacob.
What are we going to do, Jacob? What are we going to do first, Jacob? You going to look for some crawfish first?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to try to find some fun crawfish to catch. And we're going to do some fishing. We want you to join us on this fun adventure. You want them to come along with us?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, Jacob wanted to do some fishing first, so we're gonna head out here in the middle, see if we can catch some fish, maybe some perch or some bass or something, Jacob. All right, hold on a second. Okay, Jacob, do you see that hole right there where it's slow water right there? Stop where you're at right there and just cast over in it. That's where the fish are. Just cast right there, right over in the middle. Good job. All right, reel it in real quick.
There's no fish here. We go upstream.
So we're out crawdad hunting, and then Jacob found that crawdad. Now I'll be the first to say, Jacob, show the camera. I have never seen a crawdad that big in a river, period. That is a monster crawdad. Show the camera really good. Hold it up here. Look at that bad boy. Even though he's dead, he is big. And he stinks. All right. So Jacob, you think this spot's gonna be a little better?
Yeah.
Spot number 2. Go over to the left a little bit. Spot number 2, it's a good bit deeper. Jacob, go over to the left just a tiny bit. All right, make some casts. Oh man, that was a good cast. I'm gonna cast right over here. Oh. All right, we have switched baits now. Now we've went over to using worms in hopes that we might be able to catch some fish a little bit quicker. It's in the afternoon, but it's a little bit warmer and the water temperature is pretty warm as well. Right there's good right there, Jacob. Oh, you got a little one biting on it. Hopefully not. Jacob's getting some bites on the other side.
Here's spot number 3. We catch fish.
That's right, guys. We're gonna put some worms on, and we already seen quite a few fish just out here swimming around. Jacob says he wants the big one over here in the corner, which is hiding out over here in this shade. So we're gonna wait on him on that, and I'm gonna cast out here and see if I can get something going on quietly so I don't mess up his fish. Jacob has been persistent on this fish over here that's just hanging out. He has not let up on that fish yet. Oh, there's one. About time. Ooh, wow. This is something I haven't seen in forever. And this is what they call a redeye. Wow. And that is actually a really big redeye. Hey, Jacob. What do you think about this guy? He's the one who was hanging out underneath that rock. And one of the big things about this fish is that he has a red eye to him. That's why they call him a red eye. Part of the bass family. Pretty nice size one. But they fight extremely aggressive. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and get him back in the water. Go ahead and swim him. Whoop. And he took off. We're at our 5th fishing spot here. Jacob says he wants to catch 11 fish, so we're going to be doing some passing of the pole, and he is setting his worm up now, and we're going to catch Jacob some fish so he can reel something in. Jacob, we're not going to leave until you catch at least a fish. You think we can pull that off? Not really. I think we're going to. Well, guys, it's been a pretty slow day today. I figure with using live bait, we might have came across something a little quicker, but unfortunately it's not happening today. But it's a good day on the river. Just to have time with Jacob and being able to spend that time one-on-one with him, it's a lot of fun. Jacob has finally caught a fish. We don't know what it is yet, but he's working on it. What do you got there, buddy? Oh, Jacob caught a red eye too. Bring it over here. Let's see it.
I'm catching another fish.
Look at that guy.
And he got some.
Here, you want me to hold the pole?
I can actually take it out.
You can take it off?
Yeah, I think.
Nope. Let me know if you want me to help. All right, you want me to help you?
What's that?
Oh, you got it out. Oh, there it went. Wash them hands. Jacob is on a roll. He's done caught another one. Check that one out. Jacob, you're making it happen today, buddy.
See you guys joining us. See us next time.
Guys, thank y'all for joining us on this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, click the subscribe button. We'd love to do some more videos like this in different rivers or creeks. And thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, we'll see you next time.